Say hi, YouTube. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Rutabile. Please subscribe and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. This is me from the future. I realized that I hadn't done like a proper intro to this video, so I decided to do it now. As you can see by the title, this one is also a vlog. It's a weekly vlog. It was my birthday that day. The plan was to go out for dinner. You will see the following clips. That will be us going for dinner. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog as much as I enjoyed vlogging. Please subscribe, like for the algorithm, comment as well, anything that you would like to see on my channel, and yeah, any pointers where I can improve, please comment those down below. I will greatly appreciate it. So I'm done with my makeup, I'm done with my hair. Now we're going to the restaurant for lunch. I won't be able to show you guys my outfit. I'll show you when we get there because we're late now and everyone is rushing me. But this is how my makeup looks like. And then my hair, guys, I couldn't really install it very properly because I was in a hurry. But anyways, this is the update. Now we're going. See you in a few minutes. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. So we just arrived at the restaurant and Nancy is crying. Say hi. Say hi, camera. Say hi, YouTube. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, murder, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Listen to if you're lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love. see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah.
Out a year and a half rather than 18 months of their life just to get to frame a little thing on the wall that says
Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, na. Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. Some me by that work. When you walk out, la. I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah. Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. You see me do me dirt. Some me by that work. When you walk out, la. In the car, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la. I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. So today is Friday and it's currently 20 past 1. We're getting ready to come out of the house. We are going to town. By way, I mean Nancy, my young brothers and my mom. and myself as well. We're going to town to run a few errands. So yeah, I'll take you guys with us. As you saw on the last clip, this was me attempting to install this 5x5x1 wig. I'm never buying that type of a wig ever again, because it was so hard to even plug the knots here. It was just so hard to install it. But anyways, see you. So we're now at Having Norman's. We're just looking at furniture and stuff.
Try me, I deserve it. Let them tell you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are durations. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out, when the girl from my
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over.
Hi guys, so now we're done with everything, I think. Yeah, because we came to town very late, so we're not able to do everything we wanted to do. Yeah, everyone is tired now, but Nancy has been sleeping throughout. I think it's also because she didn't sleep last night. I only managed to get at least 3 hours of sleep last night because she was up all night. Whew, guys, it's so hard. It is so hard when she doesn't want to sleep. But I know, like, she usually, like, if she sleeps today, the following day she doesn't sleep at night. So I'm hoping today she'll be able to sleep, and when we get home I just want to sleep, just want to refresh, sleep. Yeah, that's all I want to do. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. These past few days I wasn't able to vlog because I was just so tired, guys. I was just so tired and I wasn't going anywhere, and I feel like it's boring when I vlog and I'm just at home. So yeah, I wasn't able to vlog. So that's all. I've managed to edit the first vlog and I think I'll upload it today. The thing is, I always like do my videos, film them, edit them, but when it's time for me to post them, like, I chicken out. I get scared and all, and I don't post them. So I'll push myself to post the first vlog, and this one also I'll have to post it as well. So this marks the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. See you on the next one.